I'm sure some of you have the exact same problem, but man, I'd really love to be tearing down the hall right now. This is not only rain, but it's actually snow in here. It's literally just not where I am. About 500 feet behind me, it was giant flakes. That's just how the weather is here. It's crazy. I want to take my panels apart and put them away. And we got the first snow, yay. Yeah, fun times taking panels apart in this. It's supposed to be dry for the next couple days, but that is not what this guy says. Stupid weather making us so late on taking all the haunted house stuff apart. It's a race against time. It's already getting dark and it's 5 o'clock. Screw you, daylight savings time. Thanks a lot. So we'll see if we have some light to show in here. So we got 8 of them done, or at least 8 rows of them. It's a long day. It's brain hard time. So we put everything in that cannot get wet. TVs, gorilla costume, cardboard, etc. There's a reason why we're taking it apart. 1, to save space, and 2, to make them not warped. You know how it goes. So, that be it for now. We'll be back later. Save me from this wet weather. I can't put the panels away wet. They gotta dry. Okay, so, somebody's come to help me. Clean up. Oh, now we're done with the zoomies. No. It's like a dog park for her. You're gonna come around. You're gonna come around and scare me. Alrighty, better keep an eye on me. Make sure I focus and work hard. I didn't realize that I ran out of space on my phone. So, missed the last part of this, but filled it up, covered it up, and now it's time to clean it all up so we can come back again mañana. Moved all the large ones from over here, put them on the pile, and can't move those just yet because it's got the heavy-duty door, but the one with the frame around it. And then it's got the stuff that can't get wet in front of it, but we've got a pretty good size pile, if you know how big a 32-inch TV box is. So we got a bunch done. I decided to put at least 2 of them, the drop panels, down there instead of way up here where they're really freaking heavy because I don't take them apart. Hopefully that'll do good. And if you haven't seen this before, this is how we stack them. I stack 8 or so of the panels, and then I put their supports on the top of them. Now, it might seem like a lot of extra work, but this is all we have. If it don't fit in here, it don't be in the haunt. So, gotta get creative, because when we had only like 40 panels, yeah, they would easily be up to the top here, and then another pile stack of them here, and yeah, there's no room in here for, well, decor. You gotta fill your haunt with something good, don't ya? That's what we do. And then you can see, very bottom there, up, that's where the supports are. Next row up, supports, next row up, and then supports. And then on the top, we put things like this, those 3-footers, brick pieces, and then really light stuff, tombstones, other foam things. So that is how we do it.